Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for brown soda bread. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So we'll start off and we'll preheat our oven to 200 degrees centigrade, 400 degrees fan. And I will take a bowl, and to that we're going to add some wholemeal flour, some plain white flour, some baking soda, and a teaspoonful of salt. We'll give that a mix around, get the flavours all incorporated, and then we'll just make a well in the middle for the buttermilk. Now we add our buttermilk, and we just do it in little bits at a time. You don't want this mixture getting too wet. So we just mix it in, and then we'll add some more buttermilk just until we get the consistency that we want. As you can see, this dough has come together and it's now ready to be shaped. So we just flour our chopping board. And then we'll pour the dough mixture onto it. Now folks, if you're finding value in my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and it means I can make further videos for you. Now we take our dough and we start to knead it. We don't need to knead this too heavily, just for 4 or 5 minutes until it's all come together. So we'll shape it into a circle. This is the traditional shape for this. The circle is about 4 centimeters or 1.5 inches deep. Then we'll take a floured baking tray and we'll just pop the bread on top. Now we'll take a sharp knife that's been dipped in the flour and we'll just put the shape of a cross into the middle. We cut this about 1/2 inch deep. And obviously being on the flour, it stops the knife sticking to the dough. Now we'll take our dough over to a preheated oven. We'll pop it in. And we'll cook it for about 45 minutes. So as you can see, our dough is risen. It's nice and brown. It's ready to be served. So the traditional way to serve this is just still warm, sliced across and topped with some Kerrygold butter. Now folks, if you've enjoyed my video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Again, thanks for watching and I hope to see you in my further videos.